Moscow and New Delhi have inked a $5.4 billion contract on the supply of Russia's S-400 air defense system to India, with deliveries scheduled to start in 2020. The S-400 Triumph deal, inked by India and Russia notwithstanding the US pressure of sanctions, can engage up to 36 targets at a time and simultaneously launch 72 missiles. The air defense missile system comprises a combat control post, a 3-coordinate jam-resistant phased array radar to detect aerial targets, 6 8 air defense missile complexes, with up to 12 transporter launchers, and also a multifunctional 4-coordinate illumination and detection radar, a technical support system, a missile transporting vehicles and a training simulator, experts said. The S-400 system can also additionally include an all-altitude radar and movable towers for an antenna post, they said. The target detection range of this system is up to 600 kilometers and its tactical ballistic missile destruction range varies from 5 kilometers to 60 kilometers. India will receive 10 battalions of the system, with a battalion normally consisting of 8 launchers, 112 missiles, and the associated command, radar and support vehicles. But for India, initially, the S-400 ADMS will come equipped with only the 380 km range 40 N6C LRSAMs, which were declared by Russia as being ready for series production following a series of user-assisted successful test firings last August. China signed a deal in 2015 for 6 battalions of the S-400, and delivery began this January. EAF sources said due to the fear of its technology being reverse-engineered by the Chinese military engineers and technicians, the Russians are providing them a truncated system with missiles with strike ranges of 250 kilometers, 120 kilometers, and 40 kilometers. Plans call for eventually expanding this LRSAM network into 5 brigades in the following decade, and deploying them for the air defense, against hostile manned combat aircraft, SRBMs, TBMs and LACMs, of major cities and industrial corridors located in western and central India. The sector-wise command and control posts of each of these brigades will be integrated with the EAF's already operational 5 nodes of the Integrated Air Command, Control and Communications System at Barnala, Punjab, Odisha, Gujarat, Ayanagar, Delhi, Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and Ambala, Haryana. Since the EAF's S-400 LRSAMs will be high-value assets, they will require in-depth air defense protection as well. For this, the EAF ordered 4 squadrons of the Rafale-built Spider system back in 2013. Deliveries commenced in February 2017 and were completed by August 2018. To avoid US sanctions, the government-owned Syndicate Bank in South Block will pay Russia's Sberbank at New Delhi's Connaught Place in rubles as a direct bank transfer. The first tranche of currency, equivalent to $40 million, was transferred in early September to pay for the refit of one of 2 Indian Navy submarines currently in Russia. The new system abandons the traditional system of letters of credit and going in for bank transfers. The dollar will be used only to denominate the price of the rupee and ruble on the day of the payment, says an Indian official familiar with the developments. A protocol signed between the MOD and Russia's state arms trading firm, Rosoboronexport, in New Delhi in August, incorporates supplementary agreements into existing defense contracts. The new agreements switching payments to rupees will cover all existing transactions between Rosoboronexport and the MOD, the Army, Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard, DRDO, OFB and all Indian defense public sector undertakings.